Arrive in style with this 2004 Chevrolet Aveo 3500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power outlet, pass-through rear seat, steel wheels, bucket seats, daytime running lights, adjustable steering wheel, intermittent wipers, and rear defrost. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.